In 1968, a young Italian physicist at CERN noticed that a particular mathematical function written down by an 18th century Swiss mathematician for entirely different reasons perfectly described the strong nuclear interactions he was studying, and within 2 years his colleagues realized they had stumbled into the foundation of a theory of vibrating strings. Tonight we cover string theory, the most mathematically beautiful theory in modern physics. Joining me are a theoretical physicist and a mathematical physicist.
String theory replaces the point particles of quantum field theory with one-dimensional vibrating loops or strings of length approximately 10 to the minus 33 centimeters, the Planck length. Different vibration modes of the same string correspond to different particle types. The same string can vibrate as an electron, a photon, a quark, or a graviton. The theory naturally contains gravity. It naturally produces gauge fields. It removes the infinities that plague quantum field theory. It is mathematically self-consistent only in very specific numbers of spacetime dimensions.
The required spacetime dimensions are unusual. The original bosonic string theory of 1970 requires 26 dimensions. The supersymmetric superstring theory of the early 1980s requires exactly 10. 3 of those 9 spatial dimensions are observed. The other 6 must be curled up into compact manifolds at sizes far below experimental reach, Calabi-Yau manifolds of complex geometry. The choice of compactification determines the low-energy particle physics. There are an estimated 10 to the 500th distinct possible compactifications. This is the string theory landscape.
5 consistent superstring theories were known by the late 1980s. Type 1, Type 2b, Type 2b, heterotic SO32, heterotic E8 cross E8. In 1995, a remarkable duality conjecture proved that all 5 are different limits of a single 11-dimensional theory called M theory. The discovery is known as the second superstring.
The single most successful application is the ADS/CFT correspondence proposed in 1997. A string theory in a particular 5-dimensional anti-de Sitter spacetime is mathematically equivalent, line by line, to a particular 4-dimensional quantum field theory living on its boundary. The same physics, 2 completely different descriptions. The correspondence has produced thousands of concrete calculations in strongly coupled quantum field theories used in nuclear physics and condensed matter physics. The mathematics works.
Black hole entropy is the most spectacular concrete result. The Bekenstein-Hawking formula states the entropy of a black hole equals 1/4 of its event horizon area in Planck units, a semi-classical derivation from 1974. In 1996, a string theory calculation reproduced exactly this entropy by counting the microscopic quantum states of a string-theoretic configuration that gravitationally collapses to a black hole. The match is exact. String theory contains gravity and matches it microscopically, a near miraculous result.
The unsolved problem is empirical confirmation. The natural energy scale of string theory is the Planck scale at 10 to the 19th giga-electronvolts. The LHC reaches 10 to the 4th. The energy gap is roughly 10 to the 15th times. Direct production of strings at colliders is impossible by current technology. The hoped-for indirect signature was supersymmetry, partner particles of the Standard Model. The LHC has searched and not found supersymmetric partners within its reach. The theory does not give a single confirmed prediction.
3 modern directions remain active. 1. Quantum gravitational holography continues to compute previously unreachable results in field theory through ADS/CFT. 2. The Swampland program attempts to identify which low-energy effective field theories actually descend from a consistent quantum gravity. 3. Black hole information theory and the recent island formula derive the unitary
3 takeaways. First, string theory replaces point particles with one-dimensional vibrating strings at the Planck length. Vibration modes give different particles. 5 consistent superstring theories unify into 11-dimensional M theory. Second, the ADS/CFT correspondence proposed 1997 produces thousands of concrete field theory calculations. The Bekenstein-Hawking black hole entropy is reproduced exactly. Third, direct empirical confirmation has not occurred. The natural string energy scale is 10 to the 15th times beyond the LHC. The mathematics still works. Thank you, theorist. Thank you, mathematician.